Good morning, students. Hope you have enjoyed the earlier classes about measurement. Today, let us discuss the book back answers for Samachir Unit 1 Measurement. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. Question number 1. The girth of a tree can be measured by A. Meter scale, B. Meter rod, C. Plastic ruler, D. Measuring tape. The girth of a tree can be measured by using measuring tape. D is the correct answer. Question number 2. The conversion of 7 meter into centimeter gives A. 70 centimeter, B. 7 centimeter, C. 700 centimeter, D. 7000 centimeter. We know that 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So 7 meter is 7 into 100 centimeter, that is 700 centimeter. So C option is correct. The answer is 700 centimeter. Question number 3. Quantity that can be measured is called A. Physical quantity, B. Unit, C. Measurement, D. Motion. Answer A. Physical quantity is the correct answer. Question number 4. Choose the correct one. Option A. Kilometer greater than millimeter, greater than centimeter, greater than meter. Option B. Kilometer greater than millimeter, greater than centimeter, greater than meter. Option C. Kilometer greater than meter, greater than centimeter, greater than millimeter. Option D. Kilometer greater than centimeter, greater than meter, greater than millimeter. Option C is the correct answer. Kilometer greater than meter, greater than centimeter, greater than millimeter. Question number 5. While measuring length using a ruler, the position of your eye should be A. Left side of the point, B. Vertically above the point where the measurement is to be taken, C. Right side of the point, D. Anywhere according to one's convenience. Answer is option B. Vertically above the point where the measurement is to be taken. Second Roman letter, true or false. Question number 1. 126 kilogram is the correct way of expressing mass. Answer is true because kilogram is the unit for mass. Question number 2. Length of one's chest can be measured by using meter scale. Answer false. Length of one's chest can be measured by using measuring tape is the correct answer. Question number 3. 10 millimeters makes 1 centimeter. Answer is true. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Question number 4. A handspan is a reliable measure of length. Answer false. Handspan is non-reliable measure of length. Is the correct answer. Question number 5. The SI system of units is accepted everywhere in the world. Answer true. Third Roman letter, fill up the blanks. Question number 1. SI unit of length is symbolically represented as meter. Question number 2. 500 gram is equal to half kilogram. 1/2 kilogram. Question number 3. Distance between Delhi and Chennai can be measured in kilometer. Question number 4. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Question number 5. 5 kilometer is equal to 5000 meter. Fourth Roman letter, analogy. Question number 1. Sugar, beam balance, lime juice. The measuring instrument for sugar is beam balance. Lime juice is measured using measuring jar. Answer measuring jar. Question number 2. Height of a person, centimeter. Length of your sharpened pencil lead, millimeter. Question number 3. Milk, volume, vegetables, mass. Fifth Roman letter, match the following. Question number 1. Length of the forearm. Answer, cubit. Question number 2. SI unit of length, meter. Question number 3. Nano. 10 power minus 9. Question number 4. SI unit of time, second. Question number 5. Kilo, 10 cube. Sixth Roman letter, complete the given table. Volume, unit, meter cube. Length of your little finger, centimeter. Kilogram, unit for mass. Kilometer, measured as distance between two cities. Seventh Roman letter, arrange in increasing order of unit. 1 meter, 1 centimeter, 1 kilometer and 1 millimeter. Answer, 1 millimeter lesser than 1 centimeter lesser than 1 meter lesser than 1 kilometer. Eighth Roman letter, find the answer for the following questions within the grid. Question number 1. 10 power minus 3 is 1. Answer, millimeter. Question number 2. SI unit of time. Answer, second. Question number 3. Cross view of reading for a measurement leads to. Answer, error. Question number 4. Dash is the one what a clock reads. Answer, time. Question number 5. Dash is the amount of substance present in an object. Answer, mass. Question number 6. Dash can be taken to get the final reading of the recordings of different of students for a single measurement. Answer, average. Question number 7. Dash is a fundamental quantity. Answer, length. Question number 8. Dash shows the distance covered by an automobile. Answer, odometer. Question number 9. A tailor uses dash to take measurements to stitch a cloth. Answer, tape. Question number 10. Liquids are measured with this physical quantity. Answer, liter. Mark the answers within the grid on your textbook. Ninth Roman letter, answer in a word or two. Question number 1. What is the full form of SI system? Answer, International System of Units. Question number 2. Name any one instrument used for measuring mass. Answer, beam balance. Question number 3. Find the odd one out. Kilogram, millimeter, centimeter, nanometer. All the one are in meter except kilogram. So answer is kilogram. Question number 4. What is the SI unit of mass? Answer, kilogram. Question number 5. What are the two parts present in a measurement? Answer, a number and its unit. 10th Roman letter, answer in a sentence or two. Question number 1. Define measurement. Answer is in page number 2, introduction para, 8th line. The comparison of an unknown quantity with some known quantity is known as measurement. Measurement of a quantity has two parts, a number and a unit. Question number 2. Define mass. Answer is in page number 10 under mass heading, first line, first point. Mass is the measure of the amount of matter in an object. The SI unit of mass is kilogram, kg. 3. The distance between two places is 43.65 km. Convert it into meter and centimeter. The answer for this problem is already discussed in video. 43.65 km is 43,650 meter and 43,65,000 centimeter. Question number 4. How will you measure the volume of irregular objects? Write the answer near the question. The answer is water displacement method. Question number 5. What are the rules to be followed to make accurate measurement with scale? The answer is in page number 5 under the heading to measure the length of a pin using a scale. First point. Mark it. The head of the pin has to coincide with 0 of the scale. Second point is in page number 7, first line. Take care to write the correct submultiple. And second point is in third para. I must be exactly in front of, vertically above the point where the measurement has to be taken. 11th Roman letter. Solve the following. Question number 1. The distance between your school and your house is 2250 meter. Express this distance in kilometer. This problem is discussed in video. Answer is 2.25 kilometer. Question number 2. While measuring the length of a sharpened pencil, reading of the scale at one end is 2.0 centimeter and at the other end is 12.1 centimeter. What is the length of the pencil? Answer is length of the pencil is equal to 12.1 centimeter minus 2.0 centimeter, that is 10.1 centimeter. Roman letter 12. Answer in detail. Question number 1. Explain two methods those you can use to measure the length of a curved line. Answer for this question is in page number 7. Measuring the length of a curved line by two methods are string method and divider method. String method. Draw a curved line AB on the paper. Place a string along the curved line. Make sure that the string covers every bit of the curved line. Mark the points where the curved line begins and ends on the string. Now stretch the string along the length of a meter scale. Measure the distance between two markings of the string. This will give you the length of the curved line. Another method for measuring the length of a curved line is divider method. Mark it on page number 8. Draw a curved line AB on a piece of paper. Separate the legs of the divider by 0.5 cm or 1 cm using a ruler. Place it on the curved line starting from one end. Mark the position of the other end. Move it along the line again and again, cutting the line into number of segments of equal lengths. The remaining parts of the line can be measured using a scale. Count the number of segments. Length of the line is equal to number of segments into length of each segment plus length of leftover part. Number 2. How will you measure the volume of irregular objects? Answer is in page number 9. Mark it. Water displacement method used to measure the volume of an object with irregular shape. For example, a stone. To find volume of a small piece of stone, fill a graduated measuring cylinder to certain level. Tie the stone with a piece of fine thread. Immerse the stone completely into water. We can observe that water level increases. The stone displaces the water to occupy the space inside the measuring cylinder. Water displaced would be equal to the space taken up by stone. So the amount of water displaced will be the volume of the stone. This method is called as water displacement method. Question number 3. Fill up the following chart. Property length. Definition: the distance between one end and the other desired end. Unit: meter. Instrument used for measuring length: meter scale and measuring tape. Property: mass. Mass definition: mass is the measure of the amount of matter in an object. Unit: kilogram. Instrument used for measuring mass: beam balance. Property: volume. Definition: volume is the space occupied by an object. Unit: for volume of solid: meter, and volume of liquid: liter. Instrument used for measuring volume of solid: measuring scale, and volume of liquid: graduated cylinder. Property: time. Definition: it is period between two events. Unit: second. Instrument used for measuring time: clock. Take page number 6, activity. In the given activity, measure the quantities using suitable measuring units and express them with suitable multiple and submultiples. Pencil. Length of tip of pencil: unit meter, submultiple millimeter. Pen. Length of the pen: unit meter, multiple centimeter. Distance between two cities: unit kilometer, multiple meter. Mass of dry fruits in tablets: unit kilogram, submultiple milligram. Mass of jewelry: unit kilogram, submultiple milligram. Time taken to finish 100-meter race: unit seconds, submultiple seconds. Take page number 12, numerical problems. Look at a meter scale carefully and answer the following. How many millimeter are there in a centimeter? 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. How many centimeter are there in a meter? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Complete the following. 7875 centimeter. 78 meter, 75 centimeter. 1195 meter. 1 kilometer, 195 meter. 15 centimeter, 10 millimeter. 160 millimeter. 45 kilometer, 33 meter is equal to 45,033 meter. Thank you students. Learn the book back answers.